Hi guys, for today I'm going over the events of the war essay assignment. For the next 4 days in my class, you'll be working on creating a 5-paragraph essay, which I know you can do because I talked to Miss Crux, on the 3 most important events of the Civil War. So this video exists to help you start to get your thoughts down, okay? So today you're demonstrating your knowledge of the concepts we've learned in our Civil War unit. You're going to be researching and evaluating what you've learned in a 5-paragraph essay format. For this assignment, we'll be taking a look at the Civil War to determine what the cause was and what was the most important events. So our first step is to watch this introduction video, which congratulations, you're already doing. Our second step is to take a look at the information and grading rubric. So, the important events of the Civil War essay assignment. Some things to consider here, folks. Let's look at the instructions together. From 1861 to 1865, the Union and the Confederacy fought the Civil War, the most costly and bitter war in our nation's history. People had different perspectives on the meaning of freedom, and their differences over that freedom helped cause the war. As the U.S. forcibly reunited at the end of the war, the nation and people had to redefine what freedom meant. Considering what you've learned in this unit, we need to think about what made this war so long-lasting. What events stick out? Write a 5-paragraph essay that answers the question, what are the 3 most important causes of the Civil War? So you're going to have a thesis that says the 3 most important causes of the Civil War are 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to define each of the 3 in separate paragraphs. Support your claim with 3 reasons, examples from the text, or anything we've used in class, and develop each reason into a body paragraph. Support your reasons with logic and evidence from the sources that we've studied. So you're going to pick 3 events from the war that you think are important, and you're going to tell me about why each event was important in 3 separate paragraphs. Please write in a clear and formal style. Use words, phrases, and clauses to show your ideas, and make sure it is logical and smooth, okay? This essay is going to be due on Monday, May 9th, so we have plenty of time to work on this. Remember, guys, I want to help you with it however I can, okay? So here's how you're going to be graded. You will receive 10 points for giving me a notes page. That notes page is due tomorrow, okay? You will receive 30 points based on writing your essay in a 5-paragraph format, with an introduction, thesis, body paragraph, and conclusion with an argument. Remember, guys, I can help with this. You need to write an introduction that introduces me to what you're going to talk about, 3 body paragraphs about what you're going to talk about, and then a conclusion that sums things up nicely. We need to make sure that we've used researched and accurate information from the Civil War. This means that we are writing down the information using our own words, and that we are using our textbook and other information sources to help us out, and that we're writing an essay free of grammatical errors and other items. So here are some things that you can use to help you with this assignment. I've included some links here. I'd really recommend you check them out. Remember, they will help, okay? If we go back to our lesson, we also have a tip sheet that you can examine to help you understand exactly what needs to go in each paragraph. For your introduction, this is where you draw me in, okay? I know you've done some persuasive writing with Miss Crooks, so please think about what you've learned in English, okay? You're going to introduce me to the Civil War, you're going to tell me why it was important, and then you're going to tell me 3 details why the Civil War was important. So your thesis is going to be, the Civil War was important because of reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. These ideas will be what you'll talk about in your body paragraphs. On your body paragraphs, you're going to tell me why you think the way that you do, okay? And you're going to make sure you have complete ideas expressed in each of those. Once we get to the conclusion, You will be summing up your main ideas and giving me some insight. It's also kind of helpful here to tell me one more point why your thesis is correct. Remember, 5 paragraphs, I can help you, okay? Looking back at our assignment, here's what we have to worry about for today. We have to start working on a notes page. There's no assignment due today, it's day 1, but your notes page will be due tomorrow. Let's take a look at your notes page together. For your notes page, I've included what you need to fill out on the side of each of these, okay? So you're going to tell me what details about the Civil War were important. So, the Civil War was important because of blank, blank, and blank. I've included the first one to help us get started. Slavery is something that we kind of just need to talk about. So you're going to tell me what you've learned about slavery for your first paragraph. And then for the remaining bits of this organizer, you're going to follow this instruction. You're going to go to the website located here, and you'll notice on that website that there are key ideas behind the Civil War. We've got slavery, we've got Dred Scott, states' rights, abolitionists, Harriet Beecher Stowe, Missouri Compromise, lots of things here. You are picking a total of 3 things from this list, and I've already included slavery for you. So you just need to pick 2 other things and then tell me what you know about them and why they were important to the Civil War, okay? So if we go back to our notes page, you have to use the website to pick a cause, write it in the first event, give me details about that event. You're going to do that for all 3 of those paragraphs. This is your outline here, guys. You're going to then take that outline and write your assignment out of it. So I've included your outline here to help you out. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. This outline is due tomorrow, okay? So if we go back to today's lesson, you'll notice that I've mentioned here, please consider attending the essay assignment check-in hangout. Look for more information on that shortly as well, okay? Please get started. Please ask me any questions you need, and I know you can do this if you put your mind to it, okay? Good luck.